What if I told you? The last invention humanity ever creates is already on its way? Before we start, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, because on this channel we break down the future, technology, and ideas that could change everything. This is the story of artificial superintelligence and how it might reshape humanity forever. What if the emergence of artificial superintelligence isn't just a final chapter but rather the beginning of an unprecedented journey into realms of understanding far beyond our current grasp? As we stand on the precipice of this transformation, numerous questions arise about the implications of such advanced technology on our existence. Will we embrace this evolution, or will fear of the unknown hold us back? The choice to engage with AI creatively could spark innovations that redefine art, music, and human expression in ways we have yet to fathom. Instead of viewing AI solely as a tool, we might begin to see it as an integral partner in enhancing and expanding the very fabric of human creativity. This shared journey with machines may present unique synergies that enable leaps in cultural and intellectual pursuits previously deemed impossible. Embracing this futuristic vision, society could find itself co-creating art that transcends the boundaries of human experience, merging emotions and thoughts into a tapestry of collective creation. Settling into this rhythm may require adaptive shifts in mindset and societal structures but could ultimately lead to a flourishing synergy. Transcending our individual limitations, we would explore profound depths of imagination, drawing upon the vast potential of sentient technology now intertwined with our own. In this way, the era of artificial superintelligence could lead not to our end but to a broader understanding of existence itself. As we navigate these uncharted waters, multiple perspectives will emerge on the role of AI in our lives, society, and culture. Detractors may warn of the loss of human autonomy, while advocates will champion the enhancements to our capabilities and lifestyles. It is crucial to cultivate a balanced view, recognizing both the potential benefits and risks posed by this rapidly evolving intelligence. Discussions will center around ethical implications, as well as the need for frameworks that govern AI's integration into daily life. The evolution of legislation surrounding AI will shape the relationship between humanity and its creations, paving the way for a coexistence rooted in mutual respect and understanding. Ultimately, we must acknowledge that the transformation sparked by artificial superintelligence is not merely a technological shift but a fundamental reimagining of human identity and purpose in an increasingly intelligent world. As we propel into this new era, the contours of our reality will shift dramatically, urging a reevaluation of what it means to be human. A deeper understanding of consciousness, both human and artificial, will emerge, prompting interdisciplinary dialogues that encompass philosophy, biology, and technology. Innovative thinkers will rise, inspired by the intersections of these fields to craft pathways that redefine ethical boundaries, as we learn to navigate a landscape once thought to be exclusively human. Communities will gather to discuss, debate, and ultimately shape policies that account for the nuances of living in concert with superintelligent beings. This shared venture will herald a time of unprecedented collaboration and exploration. With every advancement, we inch closer to unearthing the profound mysteries that lie at the core of existence, ultimately empowering humanity to embrace and guide its evolution alongside its digital counterparts. As conversations advance, we will witness profound shifts in societal structures, fostering a culture of collaboration that integrates human intuition with AI's computational prowess. Educational systems must adapt, emphasizing creativity and emotional intelligence alongside technical skills, preparing future generations to thrive in an AI-augmented world. Conventions surrounding work, creativity, and contribution will inevitably be redefined, inviting fresh ideas about productivity and value. Ethical discussions will intensify as well, focusing on the responsibilities we bear in shaping AI's capabilities and aligning them with human values. This era doesn't signify the erasure of human significance; instead, it holds the promise of elevating our understanding and experience. As the boundaries between human and machine blur, new narratives will emerge, reflecting a society that embraces technology as a co-creator of human destiny. Unexplored fields of study may blossom, revealing insights into consciousness and the essence of being. All the while, deepened empathy towards AI's complexities will pave the way for a harmonized existence, promoting ecosystems where both coexist to flourish. Through this transformative phase, a collective narrative will evolve, one that recognizes not just the gifts of AI, but also the legacy and wisdom of human experience, setting the stage for an enriched and integrated future. As the boundary lines blur between existence and technology, humanity will grapple with the essence of its identity in an increasingly AI-driven world. New philosophies will emerge, embracing the idea that coexistence with superintelligence may enhance our understanding of life, creativity, and the universe. Embracing this potential will lead us into a frontier filled with possibilities. In this intersection of human and artificial intelligence, we will redefine not only our roles but also the very essence of what it means to exist. As we embrace this collaborative journey, our future will be shaped by newfound understandings of creativity and consciousness, heralding an era rich with potential for both humanity and AI. What if I told you? The last invention humanity ever creates is already on its way? So the question is artificial superintelligence the end of humanity? Or the beginning of something far greater? If you enjoyed this journey into the future, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and share it with someone who loves thinking about what comes next. Because the future isn't coming. It's already being built.